Hi everyone, I'm Lulu and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you my foolproof way to get a golden crunchy tofu every single time. The secret isn't just in the fry, it is in the amazing savory sauce. It's quick, easy, and so much better than takeout. All you need is a block of a firm tofu and a little bit of patience. Let's get cooking. Aromatics are the soul of this dish, so slicing up some chili for heat, scallions for freshness, and one shallot for that sweet, oniony bite. I love this part. The colors are just so pretty. Now for the tofu, I'm cutting this into medium-sized squares, which is the perfect bite. You can definitely go a little smaller if you like them extra crunchy, but I wouldn't recommend going too small. We want to keep that soft, silky center inside the crispy crust. Start with a small pan and a little oil over medium heat. We're going to fry our shallot wings first. Watch as they start to bubble and slowly transform from a white to a beautiful toasted golden brown. This takes about 4 to 5 minutes. Once they are perfect, like this, take them out of the pan and set them aside. Now, drop in sliced chili and scallions. We are frying this just until lightly golden to wake up all those essential oils. This step builds a deep, savory base that makes the final dish incredible. Also remember, save a little bit of fresh chili and scallions to use as a bright garnish at the end. The smell here is absolutely mouth-watering. This extra layer of flavor is what makes this recipe from good to restaurant quality. Before we fry, use a paper towel to pat your tofu squares completely dry. This is the secret to a great crust. Now add a bit more oil to our aromatic infused oil in a larger pan. Salt your oil first. This seasons the crust and helps keep the tofu from sticking. Now I'm adding these tofu squares into our flavorful oil by sliding them in from the edge. It's much safer than dropping them in. Once they're in, leave them alone. Let them develop that golden crust on the bottom first. You want a solid crust to form before you even think about moving them. I like to give the pan a little swirl. If the tofu moves, it's ready to flip, just like I'm doing here. Take your time and fry every side over medium heat. It's going to take about 5 to 8 minutes. But trust me, that crunch is worth the wait. We're going for a deep golden brown on all sides. This is after about 4 to 5 minutes. After additional 5 minutes, look at that color. Our tofu is now perfect golden brown on every single side. Just look at that beautiful, even crust. Now let's take them out of the pan and drop them into a bowl lined with a paper towel. We want to remove all that excess oil first so our tofu stays light and stays crunchy. And now that we've degreased, listen to this. That is the sound of a perfect fry. Ooh. When I break one open, it's still snowy white and is incredibly soft on the inside. Okay, now for my signature savory sauce. This sauce is the perfect balance of a sweet, sour, and hint of a spicy. Time to bring it all together, adding our fried shallot rings first for that extra crunch, then the fried chili and scallions for the aromatic heat. Pour the sauce over. To finish, add as many toasted sesame seeds as your heart desires. I love a lot for that extra nuttiness. Give it a final toss, toss, toss to coat every single piece. A few fresh scallions and red chili on top for the perfect finish. Do you see how perfect those squares are? Golden, crispy, and drenched in that amazing sauce. Thanks for cooking with me today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Happy cooking!